romantic here. I think he's a journalist. He said about 4 years ago, say, it's you he want to be the next prime minister, I never know I would have really lived to see this. But I'm still glad. I don't know if I'm going to live to see you without become prime minister. But we have to have faith.
I think they should just put aside what they have right now and just work with you. Because right now, I am a woman, Lisa is a woman. But the youth, them say, them work with young people and youth and this and that. That's good. But right now, youth, yeah, we have to highlight the youth them, but right now, a substance over hype. And right now, from what I am hearing from you, you are the man for the thing. Just like that.
Just a little thing me I said was, I know that you're going to be the president. You know you're going to be the president.
I think I can safely say I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Because I think we found the perfect leader to launch our beloved party back on the road to recovery.
And I like how you start. And I like when the fact that they asked you about Comrade Lisa Hannah and what you said about her. She's your colleague and you admire a lot of things about her. And the party needs her. I like that. And therefore, I have decided to finally join your team because I believe in you.
Comrades, let us go with Golden. If we want to have a stable economy, if we want to build the People's National Party, if we want to build Jamaica, go with Golden.
Go with Golding.